Hello, this is Team Vision. We have developed Wheyo, the protein kitchen, cloud kitchen model database management system. Here, we can see our Git repo which has the code base of our project. Let me open it in my VS Code. Here, we have multiple files and we have our main the front end that is using React. We have the components of the same animated counter, card drawer. We'll show all of these things, as well as we have the admin code base right over here. Before moving on to the next, I would like to show you the admin GitHub repo as well. This is our admin GitHub repo. Here we have the readme file. If you want, we have the link to the same both of the repos in the description. You can just go ahead and watch it. Now we'll go down for the demo of the product. Here we can click on view the live site. This leads to the hero section of our website. Here you can read through the website where we tell about the information about the protein and the nutrition for the body. This is like the reading section, and here are the steps by which you can order food. In the end, you can click on order first meal, or as well as you can click on the fuel station, or a user can click on one of these photos and just click to order any food. In the fuel station, a user is shown the orders, that is the food items that are available. Now you can go ahead and read the ingredients, the protein source, everything from the menu card, and increase the quantity and then add to cart. You can either go to food cart or add more items. So for example, I need 2 protein shakes as well, and I would want it to be milkier. So you can just give the special instructions and then add to cart as well. Then we can proceed to add to cart, and here we have 7 items in total, and total cost comes to be 1043. The user will first put in his name, phone number, and then select a particular point. Say for example V2 campus. Here you can put any of the coupons if he has any. If he doesn't, then you can leave it blank. Then he can just click on checkout via WhatsApp. When he does that, the redirects to a WhatsApp page wherein if it will open the chat box, and wherein you can send the same message for the admin to read the same. Now you can cancel it for as of now, and then the user is prompted with the order is placed successfully. Here he can either text the same person on WhatsApp, or he can click on stock up more items so that he can redirect to the fuel station, or he'll click on track vitals so that he can just go in the profile section and just see how many orders he has done. Here he can see his latest order in the batch 8. Here I already ordered a lot of food before, so it's showing 705 grams in total. This will be having the daily graph of the past 7 days depending on the number of orders it has placed, and here it will be showing the latest orders. Now here I have logged in myself beforehand. Here he can just check his own order history, and then in this section you can the profile settings. Here TDE can be calculated, that is the value which is the total amount of calories a person should be eating in a particular day depending upon his weight, height, and of course the age and the activity level. Here this ends the client side of the Wheyo, that is just landing page, and then comes the food menu section, that is fuel station, and the profile where he can track his macros, his latest orders, and all his order history. Now next comes our Wheyo admin page. Here we have the same front end. We use React for the front end and PostgreSQL for the back end. Here you can read through the same thing from the description, but as of now let us show you the live site. Now we click here to view the live site, and we'll lead on to the admin page. Since this is admin page, it has more security than the food menu. In food client side portal, one can order a food without even logging himself inside, but for Wheyo admin central, we obviously have it made sure that no one who is not an admin cannot access anything. So when one lands here, he is landing on the login page directly. He might go and navigate in inventory just to check what are the food available what is the cost, how much is the protein content, the source of it, and the number of calories it has. And of course, if it's non-veg, veg, or in stock or not out of stock. But the important part where the database management system actually comes in is after the admin logs in himself. Once he logs in, he can track all of the top fuel sources, that is the most selling product, average turnaround. This is the number. This is the calculation based on the order feed. Like whenever an order is placed here, the admin is supposed to like update regularly. Like in the pending section, if it will receive the new order, the admin has to click on prepare, and then it will be shifted to preparing. And the latency, that is the average turnaround time, is calculated based on the time taken from a order to going from pending to preparing to ready, and after that to be delivered. So here we have the 3 orders that are delivered. Now let's head back to War Room. Here are the top menu items which have been sold. We have the graph for that. This is the amount of protein sold, and this is a daily revenue. This data in the War Room is showing only per day's orders, per day data. If the admin wants to look out or like understand the order history, the admin has to navigate to the archive. Here we have all the orders that have been already delivered. Now, as I shown you before, the orders have to first prepared, like shifted to prepare section. Once it has been prepared, it has to go to ready. And once it's ready, we hit on deliver. Once it's delivered, we then click on the delivered button. Now, here in the archive, it is updated live, that is in the real time. Now, the admin can edit his own menu depending upon the food menu that is available in the cloud kitchen. Here he can either edit the already existing ones and then upload an image from the his own PC, or he could add a new menu item like product code, fill in the details, then put in an image, and it will be directly shown in the real time in the client side. For the coupons, he can use the coupon section for the promotions, and everything is being stored in the database. Now, we have used PostgreSQL for the same. So we have used the PostgreSQL. Here we can go ahead and check the table editors. As of now, we have the admins table where we have the value stored of the admins. That is, as of now, we just have one admin, and then we have the coupons table where the coupons will be fixed and stored here. And here with daily macros, this is being decided per user because for the graph that was shown in the client side, here are the orders, which is unrestricted and restricted, and the orders will be stored in this table. And here are the products, which will be dynamically and be manipulated in the real time from the admins portal only. And these are the profiles which have been created prototype as of now. So that sums up the database part of the entire project. Thank you.